Okay, so now we're going to move on and we're going to try a listening exercise today. So we're going to look at ways to say goodbye, okay, because there are lots of ways we can say goodbye to someone. So we're going to do a listening exercise and you're going to listen and number the words. So when you hear the word, I want you to write down the number, okay? So let's read the words together. Goodbye, goodbye, bye. Good night, good night. So this is what we use when it's dark outside. Good night, good night. Can you say it? Good night. Good. See you, see you. See you on Saturday. See you on Saturday. And the last one, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. So all of these words can be used to say goodbye. Now this is important. If today was the 14th of June, tomorrow would be the 15th of June. Tomorrow, the 15th of June. If we want to talk about the 13th of June, we say yesterday. Yesterday. We can't say see you yesterday because that's impossible. Yesterday has gone. But we can say see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. So I want you to listen to the words and write down the number in which you hear them. So bye is number 1. Okay. So which word can you hear second in the recording? You write number 2. Which one do you hear third? You write number 3. So you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Okay, here we go.
Okay, bye.
Yes, goodbye.
See you tomorrow.
Not tomorrow, Saturday.
Oh yeah, see you on Saturday.
See you.
Good night.
Okay, let's go through the answers. So you heard a boy say, okay, bye. The girl said, yes, goodbye. The boy said, see you tomorrow. The girl said, not tomorrow, Saturday. And the boy said, oh yeah, see you on Saturday. And the girl said, see you. And the boy said, good night. So we see, okay, bye. So we know bye is number 1. So which one is number 2? Good, goodbye, because the girl says, yes, goodbye. So this one is number 2. Well done. Then the boy says, good, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. So this is number 3. Well done. And then the girl says, not tomorrow, Saturday. Saturday. And then the boy says, oh yeah, see you on Saturday. See you on Saturday. So that one there is number 4. Okay, great. See you on Saturday. And then the girl says, see you, as in goodbye. See you. And then the boy finally finishes with good night. So you should have number 2, number 1, number 6, number 5, number 4, and number 3. Did you get them right? You can comment below. Okay, let's practice a little bit. You can read the boy. I will read the girl. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, goodbye. Not tomorrow, Saturday. See you. Well done. Let's swap. I will be the boy and you can be the girl. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow. Oh yeah, see you on Saturday. Good night. Excellent, well done. So these are other ways you can say goodbye to somebody. Let's finish up by looking at some of the days of the week. So we saw see you on Saturday. See you on Saturday. Which day is Saturday? Is it day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6 or day 7? Do you know? Well done, it's day 6, Saturday, Saturday. So how many syllables does Saturday have? Saturday, Saturday, 3, good, 3 syllables. Let's quickly learn the other days of the week. So day 1 we call Monday, Monday. Can you say it? Monday. Good. Tuesday. Tuesday. Good. Wednesday. Wednesday. Now be careful with Wednesday. It's not Wednesday. No. Wednesday. Wednesday. So it's almost as if we don't pronounce the d, okay? Wednesday. Wednesday. Good. What comes after Wednesday? Thursday. Good. Thursday. And then day 5, the last day of the work week, is Friday. Friday. Well done. And then we have the weekend. The weekend. So we have Saturday. And what's the last day of the week? Sunday. Good, well done, excellent job. I'm just going to read them once more. We're going to use this in the next lesson. So it's a good idea to write these down. So day 1 is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Excellent, well done. Okay, and that is, oh, sorry, let's go back there. So if we want to look at the syllable stress, okay, so if we look at this word, Monday, Monday, so we put the stress on the first syllable, Monday. The same for Tuesday, Tuesday. So twos is the stressed syllable. What about this one? Wednesday, Wednesday. Good, it's the first syllable again, isn't it? Remember, we don't say Wednesday. No, we say Wednesday, Wednesday. Good. What about the next one? Thursday. Good, okay, so again, the stress is on the first syllable. Well done. What about this one? Friday. Friday. Good. All right, right at the start again. Friday. So can we guess where the syllable stress will be on the last day? Good. Sunday. Sunday, the first syllable. So remember, when saying the days of the week, you want to stress the syllable at the start of the word. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay? Excellent. Well done, everyone. That is the end of lesson 4. So instead of saying goodbye, I will say see you next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.